Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. And now we're on our day 15 of our learning Kanji grade 1 in Japan. Alright, so let's dive right into it. First kanji for today is the kanji for male or man. First related kanji, dansei. Dansei. That's equivalent to man, male, or the masculine gender. Right? Second, we have danjo. Danjo meaning men and women or man and woman. Danjo. Third, we have otokonoko, which makes in English boy, male child, baby boy. Alright. Then we have our kanji for insect or bug. Alright, that's mushi, insect or bug, and mushiba, cavity, tooth decay, decayed tooth. Alright, then we have our kanji for bamboo, and that's take. Alright, so we have first example related kanji, bakochiku, bakochiku, and that's firecrackers. Right? And then second example is takenoko. Takenoko, bamboo shoots. Alright, our third kanji for today is a kanji for naka, or inside, middle, center, in. Okay? And related kanji is chushi, which means suspension or interruption or stoppage. Okay, and second kanji, chushin, chushin, and that's the center, the middle, heart, core, focus, emphasis. Right? And our third one is tochu, tochu, that's on the way, and route, midway, or in the middle of. Alright, so let's go to our last part, and that's the example part. Okay, here we go. So I use the take, or the bamboo kanji, for the name. Okay, Takeuchi-san wa otoko desu kedo, mushi ni kowai desu. Takeuchi-san wa otoko desu kedo, mushi ni kowai desu. Mr. Takeuchi is a man, but he is afraid of insects. Mr. Takeuchi is a man, but he's afraid of insects. Alright? It's just an example, okay? Doesn't mean anything. Kikai no naka de mushi ga hairimashita. Okay? Kikai no naka de mushi ga hairimashita. The insect entered inside the machine. Now, it's a bit redundant because of the inside and entered. But just to be clear, entered inside the machine. Alright, so there you have it. Our day 15 learning grade 1 kanji in Japan. Thank you guys for watching.